YouTubers, today I'm working on the VW Caddy 2005. I needed to repair all the sliding door on the rear wing and wheel arch, but obviously you're seeing the final result, all nice and finished. But the reason I'm doing the video is because I was struggling to get the door handle out, and I looked online, because not being a VW specialist, I've never taken a door handle out before, so it seemed different to the conventional type. But basically this video is just to show you how I did it. So you need to go inside, pop off the door trim, then on the inside you have a torque screw there which you need to undo anti-clockwise. Yeah, so then once it's all undone, go to the outside. This piece will pull out and the handle would come outwards and lift out. Then obviously putting it back together again is the opposite to how you've taken it apart.